Hey YouTube land. So we're on the way right now to go pick up our newest auction car, a Ford Taurus. Now this one's a little more beaten, kind of like the last time I picked up a car from this auction. But I feel like this one has a lot more possibilities for money. So, let's see how this goes. Come and join me, won't you? ...2014 Ford Police Interesepter Sedan, aka the Taurus. I've already started doing a little work on it, but not much. She's been she was a pick car, if you couldn't tell. But she does run. Driving, not so much, because she pisses out rad fluid. Working on that. Need a headlight, front bumper. I already picked up this. Rear support, which is right there. Battery just came out of another Crown Vic I was working on. Another headlight. That's the broken front bumper. Radiator reservoir, transcooler lines, intake cover. Probably still a battery if I didn't mention that already. You can see where the old mats were for the testing of the pit maneuver. She's missing her spare tire. I already looked in there, it's not there. Already working on popping out this dent. It's taking a bit, but it's starting to come out. Needs a little more loving. She has, where's the key? Or key. There she goes. She has what she have? I don't care at the door. Low tire pressure, okay. Door ajar, trunk open, yeah. 129,000, not bad. Let's see. I see. Okay, so that does work. So the cows had the air fresheners in here. Pull those out. This console is one from my collection. I just happen to have it. These are Crown Vic center caps, which don't fit here, unfortunately. I voted. What's this? We got cop notes. We got cop notes. One sec. Don't be a social again. Oh. I got enough crap for that last time. I have no idea what this means. But we have a working blower, which is good. I'm not going to turn her over because, again, she does have a fucked up line. But I can feel the breeze at least. Do the windows work? 1 yes. 2 yes. Being attacked by all these bugs. 3 yes. Number 4. We got 4 working windows. Nice. Now, this Vic is not, Vic. This Taurus is not actually owned by me. I'm just being paid to repair it. Buddy of mine won it. I just coached him through it. No lights here. But I'm doing all the repair work, so yeah. We have the 2 SIG ports right here, or aux ports. I don't care what you call them. I'm mostly calling them SIG ports because that's what I grew up with them as. glove box with the... Wait, is that door code? What? Hold that thought. There's no code on here. Okay, well, forget that. But yeah, I gotta fix a few holes on her. Fix that radiator support / trunk holder. The one I have is a little damaged, but it's better than the one that's currently here. We towed her on base, believe it or not. Again, she can run, but tranny line pissing everywhere, I ain't risking it. But anywho, I'm just gonna end this right here and get right to work because I want to get this done before sunset. I was Ubering most of my day. Now it's time for me to do this. However, I found the part which makes it a little more expensive. Got a brake here, and this guy is shot as well. So I'll show the pricing, and we'll go from there. Okay, dear Ford, what the fuck? Why would you weld the bumper to the fucking frame when you have 8 bolts holding it in place? Jesus Christ. Evil. But, more hidden bad news. AC radiator is dead. Radiator is dead. Fans are good. Rails are somewhat good. Yeah, it's a little worse than I expected, but still within margin. Alright, put this in there without the radiator because they're bad. Well, because I'm too tired to do more today, this is where we're leaving it at. She's somewhat back together. That bumper is not staying on here. That hood's not staying on here. But we've smacked her around, found out 3 radiators are bad. AC, engine, and transmission. Gotta battle that. Also, this might be welded to the frame. I gotta figure that one out later. But yeah, that's kind of where we're leaving off at. I am just done with today. Got a little more of that dent out, but I'm done. So done. Oh yeah, and we did move her around for a second. I decided to put a bridge on the transmission. Anyway, I'm gonna go pass the fuck out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you are looking forward to this thing being run again.